I just wanted to give a little update to everybody on the fact that I have quit smoking. It's been a little over a month now. My wheezing has gone down incredibly. I mean, it's crazy. I can't believe how much it's gone down. And I'm still coughing up black crap. That's why I wanted to make this nasty video. How delicious is that? Oh man. Doesn't that make you just want to eat it right off the counter? I just want to lick it right out of the sink. I can almost do it every time I wheeze still. Look at that. That's fucking disgusting. I can't believe I was so fucking stupid for so goddamn long.